Texas homeowners deal with everything from burst pipes in a winter freeze to sudden downpours. So does your policy actually cover the water damage that follows? Here is how Texas insurers generally look at it. The same core rule applies here as anywhere else. Sudden and accidental water damage, like a pipe that bursts or an appliance that fails, is typically covered under a standard Texas homeowners policy. Gradual damage is the common exception. A slow leak that built up over weeks or months, or damage tied to a maintenance issue you knew about, usually will not be covered the same way. Texas sees serious flash flooding, and that is where a lot of homeowners get caught off guard. Flood damage from rising water outside your home is not covered by a standard policy. One thing worth knowing for Texas specifically, pipes that burst during a winter freeze are treated as sudden damage in most cases, since the failure happens quickly once the pipe cracks. Whatever the cause, document the damage right away with photos and video, and do not wait on the claims process before you start drying things out. We work with Texas homeowners on both covered and gray area claims, and we handle the extraction and drying, so the damage does not get worse while you sort out coverage. If water damage hit your Texas home, we are ready to help with the cleanup and the paperwork. Call Water Damage Restoration Dallas at 469-804-9910.